Hello, good morning, guys. And if I talk about my day, I wake up at 9:15 a.m. in the morning. And when I woke up, my senior just called me, and he wasted my time about 15 minutes. And then I go to getting ready because I just have to go to today Patiala House Court because there is a matter, and it takes 1 hours, almost 1 hours to getting ready. And about it is about 10:15 now, and I am just ready, and I am just have to leave. And this is why I didn't practice in the morning today. But I thought, okay, let's to share with you this kinds of things. And I have taken the challenge of 100 days. If you know, then okay. If you don't know, I am just sharing with you. I have taken the challenge of 100 day. I will speak only in English till the day of end, till the day of 100, I can say. And let's see how much fluent I will be. Let's see. I don't even know, but yes, this is my challenge. And this is the, I guess, day 23rd of day, I guess. I'm not sure about it. It may be one day before, and I don't sure. I am not sure. So if you want to be my part of this journey, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you, I guess, at the Patiala House Court. Bye. You can see this is the dual camera, and backside it is the Patiala House Court main building, and I am in the parking zone. Yep, this is the parking area, and there has been a blunder. What I was saying, there is a blunder has been done because of my senior was asked me to come today at Patiala House Court, but instead I am here. But you know I have to go to the Dwarka Court to meet an advocate to file the new cases under 138 NI Act. And I am calling my senior, but he didn't respond. And this is the building of the Patiala House Court, and this is the cafeteria, you can see. So I am so shy to make this kind of video in the court. And so bye, see you soon. Just want to know your opinion on this, because I am not sure who is wrong in this situation, because I don't even know who did mistake. Let's start from the very beginning, because try to understand, please, because I am not a fluent and I am not a storyteller. So I'll try to start very beginning, from the very beginning. And yesterday my senior messaged me on WhatsApp, Rohit, you have to go to the Patiala House Court to meet an advocate, namely Manisha. Okay, I was like, okay. And he sent me her number, because I am not a panel lawyer. She is a panel lawyer. This is why there are few cases, new cases she has to file, and on their cases I have to sign for I am a AR. This is why. And I was like, okay sir, I will meet her at the Patiala House Court, because he asked for me to come at the Patiala House Court. I am at the Patiala House Court right now. And in the morning my senior asked me to where you are, and I was just saying that I am just about to leave to the Patiala House Court. And I also mentioned in the message, WhatsApp message, in the morning that I am going to the Patiala House Court to meet the advocate, panel advocate, namely Manisha, for sign these documents of cases. And before leaving from my house, I call the panel advocate Manisha and ask her where should I come. and she was like, come to the Lower Chamber block and hall number 4. I was like, okay, I will meet you, and I am coming. Okay, and I just left from my room, and I am now at the Patiala House Court, and I called her, and she was like, okay, come to that and that place, and I asked about address and place. There is a call, I will see you. There was a call of my senior at what I was share with you. I was just sharing with you about the what did I mistake, or because I am not thinking about I did mistake or not, because I didn't do any mistake. I was following what he said to me and what he asked me to come there. This is why I didn't any mistake, and you please help me to decide, am I wrong or not, because my senior did a mistake and he is implementing on me, and he is like making me to responsible for this mistake. And let's start with the very beginning, because I am not at where I stop my recording. And let's start with the very beginning. Please try to understand and let me know in the comment box, did I mistake or did he mistake? He means my senior, she means the panel advocate. Okay, my senior was asked me to come at Patiala House Court yesterday, and sent me the message. If he didn't send me, and I will be wrong definitely, because he can't be he can't be agree. But now, because of he sent me the message on WhatsApp, this is why, and he asked me to come at the Patiala House Court today, and I am at the Patiala House Court, and sent me her number, panel advocate number, है ना, to call her when and where she will meet in the Patiala House Court. And in the morning, senior called me and asked me about where you are and where are you and how much time it takes to reach there. And there is another call. Oh my God, my senior is very kind of person. I don't know he is free or not. He called me again and again. Please try to understand. I will. Let's see. Start. My senior, sent me a message on WhatsApp and asked me to meet panel advocate at the Patiala House Court. And I am at the Patiala House Court. In the morning, my senior called me and asked about when I will reach at the Patiala House Court, and where I will meet, and let's talk to with the panel advocate on call. And I called panel advocate in the morning, कि ma'am, where will you meet me? And and he was like on call, कि I will, you just have to come at the lower block, hall number so and so. And I was like, every court has the lower block. This is why, and I came here Patiala House Court, because this all communication has recorded by me. I don't know why, but yes, it's some kinds of, because senior send me the message, and if he didn't message, if he was asked, what if he ask about me to come here on call, he can't be agree, and he would be making me responsible for all of this blunder. And I am here, and because of I in the Patiala House Court, there is no such kind of address about which she is asking me to come. And I called her and make, and there is an advocate of Patiala House Court, and I give my mobile to him, and by saying that, let's please talk to her and ask where she want to come to me and where she want to meet me. And he was like, there is no such address in the Patiala House Court. And she was like, I am just asking for Dwarka Court. And Dwarka Court, and the advocate start laughing at me, and he was thinking I am in the wrong place. And she asked me to come at Dwarka Court, not High Court. And I am at the Patiala High Court, and I don't know, I am so dumb this. And I feel so embarrassing in front of him. And I was like, I take my mobile and immediate call to my senior, and I share with all kinds of and he was like, you are not responsible for your work, and you are not you do everything like a child, and why would I share each and everything before leaving from your house? You have to ask about where she will meet to you. And I was like, I called her, but she was like, let's meet at the Lower Chamber block, and each court has the lawyer block. So why would I ask her at which court? Because the court name you already shared with me on WhatsApp. And he was like, so you have to ask to her at which court she will meet. I was like, why would I ask her again and again if you shared with me and yesterday and in the morning as well in Patiala Court she will meet you? Then why would I ask her again and again? She will like, I already shared with you I will meet you at the Patiala High Court, and I again will ask her where, in which court you will meet me. He feel about me like I am dumb. And my senior was, no, this is not a good thing. You are not performing his duty at the decent person, at the you are doing your job like a you are a child. And why would I share with you each and everything about in which court and that court and that court? This is your responsibility to communicate with her. And I was like, you just share with me the where I will meet to her at Patiala High Court, and not the High Court. And High Court is adjacent of the Patiala Court. Patiala Court is the district court. And why would I ask again and again? You are so dumb. Why you shared me the Patiala High Court? If you if you would not share with me the Patiala High Court on message by on WhatsApp, then this will be, I guess, my duty to ask her in which court I will come to you and to meet. But when you already had shared and has shared with me on WhatsApp in Patiala House Court you have to meet, then why would I ask? And this how can I express my feeling to him? Because he was like, you are not, and such kind of thing. And I was like, let's abuse him. But somehow I control my anger. And in my view, he did a mistake. And this is why he is making me to responsible for all kinds of blunder on me. I don't know why, because he is senior of mine, and I am just about to and the panel advocate was asking me on call to come to the Dwarka Court to sign the documents, because of there are some new cases which is pending for filing. And I was like, let's ask first to my senior and then I will come to you. Because if I went there, let's suppose if I went there without asking my senior I am going to the Dwarka court, he will take, class of mine again. Why would you go there? Why would there is no such and such and this and this? I don't even, sometimes I feel like let's abuse them, but I control myself because this is my job, not my, if I, abuse them, I guess he will, fire me. And I will see you at the Dwarka court. I am just about to leave from the Patala High Court, house court. So see you soon. If I talk about the time, it's 3:45 p.m. and now I am about to go to Saket Court from the Dwarka Court. I am at Dwarka Court right now and I am in the parking area, you can see, and this is the parking area. I am just showing you. You can see the sunlight and I am waiting for my friend and I am about to leave to the Saket Court. Then I will go to the gym and then I will go to home. And this is all about my day schedule. And I was reading and working and some I was watching reels, and because my mobile was about to die, so I decided to find power outlet. I have a charger, and so I decided to go to the library of the Dwarka court, which is in this building at the third floor, and you can see. And I charge my mobile and now I'm just about to leave now. I'm waiting for my senior and then I will leave. Oh my god. So bye. Hello, now I am at the roadside. You can see this is the main road of Dwarka to Saket Court. I don't know the name of this road, but there is one thing why I am stopping here to record this video, because you can see, sorry, this is my back camera, you can see, and this is the metro, but beside the metro line there is a ICI airport, Indira Gandhi International Airport, and just I saw a aeroplane which was taking off, and this is my first time when I saw a airplane, not aeroplane, sorry, aeroplane, so close to my eyes, not so close, but there was far from me, but I just saw to my naked eyes, near me. I didn't see any aeroplane, with my eyes so nearly, and I, before I already had been seen in the sky, but today I see, in front of me with my naked eyes, because I am at the Palam now, and you can see. How can I show you? But this is the main road, you can see, and this is why I stop here and sharing with you these kinds of experience of mine, because I feel shy when I make video at road in my uniform, and people looks at me what he is doing in this uniform, making vlogs or something. I don't know. You can see the metro. I guess this is the Wallet line, I guess. I'm not sure about it because I didn't came here through the metro. And if I talk about if my senior didn't make mistake to ask me to come to the Patiala House Court, then I visited at the Dwarka High Court. By his default, I would come by the metro to the Dwarka Court because it's a winter season and I don't want to face the cold air while I ride bike. And this is the, if I talk about the Dwarka Court is far away from the Saket Court, and I live you know at the Saket Court, not in the Saket Court, nearby the Saket Court. This is why I wanted to, if I would know I have to go to the Dwarka Court today, I will definitely come by the metro, not by my bike. Because when you ride up your bike in winter season, you will face cold air, cold wind, and all the way. You know, in the result, you will get sick, I guess, and you will get cold, I guess. This is why, and it is all about. And there's one thing, and I stopped, some steps before, and he was, selling the, how can I explain, the mobile holder which I use when I, ride a bike. We can, put my mobile like this. And I was, asking about the price, and he was, I guess the price was, 260 according to him. Because of, I am, visiting regularly. I visit regularly at the Karol Bagh or some kinds of, market. So I know the really price is of the mobile holder which I use in our bike for, holding our mobile when I ride is, only 150 rupees. I offer him 150 rupees for the same mobile holder, but for saying कि yes, it cost rupees 150, but I buy from there, and there is some are fair and there, and I am selling here. So if I don't get benefit, then why would I sell these kinds of holders? I was like, okay, I am not a kind of person who lives at home. I visit many times in a month, so I will buy at the good price. I don't give you the benefit price. So I decided not to buy now, and he was like, okay, so this is all about now. And I am just going to the Saket Court now, and there is a rumor about, there is a rumor about the Saket Court and Patiala House Court about the bomb blast. This is why there is some kind of, I will show you. I am not able to express my what I am thinking, because there was lots of advocates who was together, and there was a team of searching the bombs and in the Saket Court, and there is many videos who is getting viral on Instagram, especially Instagram, because I watched at Instagram. This is why I am saying, because I didn't go today to Saket Court, because in the morning I went to the Patiala House Court first, then I came to the Dwarka High Court, Dwarka North High Court, Dwarka Court, and then I am now going to the Saket Court. Then I will go, I guess, gym, and then I will reach at my home. So if I see something exciting, I will share with you. Bye.